Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to write step by step how to simplify the algebraic expressions displayed on the screen. To solve these exercises, I'm going to use the formulas for binomial squares. A plus minus b in parentheses squared equals 2a squared plus minus 2ab plus b squared. In the first binomial square, x squared minus y squared in parentheses squared, x squared corresponds to the a in the formula, and y squared corresponds to the b in the formula. In the second binomial square, y squared plus x squared in parentheses squared, y squared corresponds to the a in the formula, and x squared corresponds to the b in the formula. Therefore, when I apply the formulas to each binomial square, this expression equals to x squared in parentheses squared minus 2 times x squared y squared plus y squared in parentheses squared plus y squared in parentheses squared plus 2 times y squared x squared plus x squared in parentheses squared. And when I apply the rule of exponents for power of a power and simplify further, I get x to the fourth power minus 2x squared y squared plus y to the fourth power plus y to the fourth power plus 2x squared y squared plus x to the fourth power. As a next step, I need to add all like terms that have the same literal parts. Such terms are x to the fourth power and x to the fourth power. I have negative 2x squared y squared plus 2x squared y squared and y to the fourth plus y to the fourth. When I add these pairs of like terms, I get 2 times x to the fourth power. The next term, negative 2x squared y squared and plus 2x squared y squared. These are the same terms with opposite signs, therefore their sum equals to 0 or they cancel out. And what I have left is 2y to the fourth power. And this is the final answer for this exercise. Next exercise. Simplify the expression. In the first binomial square, b squared plus a squared in parentheses squared, b squared corresponds to the a in the formula, and a squared corresponds to the b in the formula. Respectively, in the second binomial square, a squared corresponds to the a in the formula, and b squared corresponds to the b in the formula. Therefore, when I apply the formulas to each binomial square, this expression equals to b squared in parentheses squared plus 2 times b squared a squared plus a squared in parentheses squared minus, in square parentheses, a squared in parentheses squared minus 2 times a squared b squared plus b squared in parentheses squared, closing square parentheses. I put these terms in square parentheses because the negative sign corresponds or applies to each term within the parentheses. And therefore, when I simplify further, I get b to the fourth power plus 2a squared b squared plus a to the fourth power. Now the negative sign is going to flip the sign of each term within the parentheses. This way I get minus a to the fourth power plus 2a squared b squared minus b to the fourth power. Next, I need to add all like terms, and when I do that, I have a to the fourth minus a to the fourth. They cancel out because it's the same term with opposite signs, and the sum equals to 0. I also have b to the fourth, negative b to the fourth. They cancel out, and what I have left is 4a squared b squared, which is the final answer for this exercise. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on any video displayed on the screen to see more detailed math solutions.